Every day I try to play another game, but my heart can't take it. Try to find another boy, but all the while I can't face it. Why do I miss you so much? Wanna stop this hurt inside? Oh baby, please give us one more try. I see you out with all your friends, laughing it up as you pretend to have a good time. I know, cause I'm living the same life. So one of us has got to say we can't keep living the same way. So I'll be the one. Yeah, I'll say it again. If you come back to me, in my heart I still believe we were meant to be together. So whatever it takes, baby, come back to me. I should have never set you free, my baby. Come back. I wanna call, but then I thought, cause after all, I just couldn't take it. Cause if you play, well, she pushed me away. To know that day, my heart should break it. But I know I made a mistake. Can't stop this foolish pride. Come back to me. Let's try, let's try it again. Baby, come back to me. In my heart, I still believe we were meant to be together, so whatever it takes. Baby, come back to me. I should have never set you free. My baby, come back. You know you miss your baby V, and I can see that you think about me. So why do you act like you don't care? Like all this love between us isn't there. I know that you're upset. I know that you're wrong. I know that you're moved in a fall, pain of God. But in the end, it all comes down to just one thing. It's you and me. So I say, baby, come back. In my heart, I still believe we were meant to be together. So whatever it takes, baby, come back to me. I should have never set you free, my baby. Come back.